What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna and I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. So I'm going to start off by filling in my brows. I'm using the NYX eyebrow gel in the color Expresso, and I'm just using small strokes to kind of create the arch of my brow first, and then I'm going to move towards the front. Once I get towards the front, I'm switching products. This is the Morphe eyebrow pencil, and this is in the color Brunette. So once I've created the shape that I want, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and just clean up my brows. I like to pack the product on first just to make sure that I'm keeping that same shape, and then once I get to the front I kind of do the sweeping motion, and then I'm just going to blend that down onto my brow bone. So for the base of my eyeshadow, I'm using the NYX LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Beige, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid and blend it out using that same brush I cleaned my brows with. To set that concealer, I'm going in with the airspun and translucent with my Real Techniques sponge just to blend that out. Then I'm going in with the Morphe 3503 palette. This is the color Unstoppable, and I'm just putting that a little bit above my crease. For the brow bone, I'm using a mixture of Trans and Tempton, and I'm just using a fluffy brush to apply that. To darken up my crease, I'm going back in with that same Unstoppable color, and I'm going to really pack that in the crease just to get it as pigmented as possible, and then I'm going to go back with the fluffy brush and just make sure that everything is blended. So I'm going back in again with that same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Beige. I'm looking down so I can see where my lid ends, and that is how I cut my crease. I'm again blending that in with the same brush that I used to clean up my eyebrows with. I tried not setting the concealer before applying the lid and it just creased, so I'm going to go ahead and set that area with the translucent powder. For the lid, I'm using a color called Red Alert from the Morphe 3503 palette. It says it's a red, but it turns out pink on my skin tone, so I'm just applying that on my lid. I started off with a fluffy brush, but I ended up switching to a more flatter brush just to get that color more pigmented. I didn't take the color all the way to my crease because I wanted to leave a little bit of space for my eyeliner that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the orange water activated face paint to kind of detail that line. I didn't really have any type of plan for today's look, but I'm just going with the flow, but I will definitely have everything listed down below so you will know what I'm using. I'm going to continue to go back over that line just a few more times because this is a water activated face paint, so it doesn't always get as pigmented the first time, so it's best to go over it a few times. now I'm just going to do a simple wing. This is the NYX matte liquid liner. I am definitely running out of liner, so I didn't get to do as much as I wanted to with this, but yes, this is just the NYX liquid black eyeliner. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara. This is the e.l.f. mascara, and I'm just going to prep my eyelashes for some fake lashes. I'm using the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Primer today. I think it looks so cool with the pink and the purple. It looks so pretty, but that's what I'm going to use for primer, and then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me foundation and apply that with a stippling brush all over my face. To highlight and contour, I'm going with the 16-hour e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer, and this is in the color Deep Cinnamon, and I'm going in with the contour, and that is going to be the color Ebony. So I'm just blending that out with the same Real Techniques sponge, and I did let it sit for a little bit just to make sure that it had time to, sit and kind of stick to my face. But I'm just going to blend that out, and then I'm going to go ahead and set that with the airspun translucent powder. This is the Essence bronzing powder that I've been using for so long. I'm going to have it down below if you want to check it out. And then just to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Milani pressed powder, and I will have that down below as well. For blush today, I'm using Coral Cove by Milani, and I'm just packing that on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, and then setting my brows with the e.l.f. brow gel in the color brown. Finish off my eyes, I'm going to start by lining my waterline with a white, and then I'm going to smoke out the color Explode from that same palette. And then my camera died, but I did put some mascara on my waterline and some blush. I used the pink shimmery color from the Zulu palette, and that's gonna wrap up this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!